We just got the car. I think it's an SUV. I asked for a Ferrari. They were out of stock. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Saint A here, back with another vlog. We got a little adventure for you. We are gonna head out to BC for about 8 days here. We got the crew with us, Zaz, Morgan, and Hannah. We are flying out at 7:30, landing at about 9-ish. Should be there for about 8 days. Should be a good little trip, so we'll see you on the way. Alright, what's going on, everyone? We are back. Just made it past customs. We're currently just gonna wait on our flight. It's about 6:30, so maybe we'll catch a nice sunrise. We got the nice little airport here, a couple planes coming in. We're flying Swoop, so we'll be we're flying at 7:30 and we'll get there at 9 Pacific. So like Zaz says, we basically time travel, right Zaz?
Oh yeah, we're time traveling.
Time traveling. So since we're from Ontario and we're going to BC, it's a 3-hour time zone change, so we don't lose too many hours. It's only about, it's a 5-hour flight, but realistically it's only an hour and a half because the time travel.
Adding 2 more hours onto our life.
Yeah, 2 more hours. So we just got through. Now we got to chill for about an hour, and we'll catch up with you in a bit. See you later.
It's currently 6:30 in the morning and we are getting mimosas. Cheers.
Time to start drinking. 6:30 a.m. Go hard. These motherfuckers have humans as chairs at this airport. Humans as chairs. So we're, after that, we're flying out of Hamilton. We're landing in Abbotsford. We're gonna stay at Vancouver for the first couple of nights, getting a nice hotel for the first night, and then we're gonna switch it up to an Airbnb for the rest. So it should be a cool little adventure. We're gonna try to get a time lapse of the sunrise, but yeah, here's the planes that we'll be flying in on. People are just about to start loading up, so should be a cool little adventure. We'll see you later. Here we go, folks. Walking out to the plane here. Look at that. Should be a fun little adventure. We planned this about 2 months ago. We're gonna vlog it all, and we're gonna show you guys. Look at that sunshine. So this is our aircraft, our space tube. This is the first time we've all flown alone without any parents, so should be interesting. 4 kids running around BC. Should be always a good time. So we'll get the entrance and then we'll sit down in our seats and we'll see you in the air. Huh? Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What seat are we?
28. Hi, Beans. So hi, Beans.
About to take off. Here we go.
Cheers. Nice little mimosas. But without the orange juice. I like how you even checked that we packed everything. I was like, Zach, check to see if we got it.
What's going on? We made it to Abbotsford safely. Just got off the plane, got the luggage, 1, 2. So we didn't lose any of that. We're just waiting to get the rental car, but we can't check into the hotel until 3ish, so we got to buy some time. Since we left at 7:30, we got here at 8:30 their time, so we basically only lost an hour, 5-hour flight, so it wasn't too bad. But now we got to figure something out to do for about 5 hours, so keep you posted what we do, and we'll talk to you later. So we just got the car. I think it's an SUV. I asked for a Ferrari. They were out of stock.
The only reason
Tough luck. Yeah, only reason. It was only $50 more, so it's a shame. But yeah, we got the whip. Sexy little white, I think. Okay, little Nissan, not too shabby. All right, we gonna put the stuff away and we gonna hit the road. All right, what's going on, everybody? Been slacking on the vlogging. It's been what, 7 hours? Yeah, but still. So we got our hotel room. Zaz, man. We gonna fucking put a TV show on mid-thing. So we got the hotel room, fancy ass hotel. Morgan only booked it for 2, so we had to sneak in. I'll just give you a little room tour, even though it's quite messy. Got some drinks there. Basic fucking hotel room. But yeah, so at 12 we went to Denny's. Couldn't check in till 3, but luckily Morgan got us in around 1ish. So we went to Denny's from 11 to about 12ish. So I was already cracking a cold one off the teeth. Yummy. We're going to the dentist because he's a... Can't do it.
That
There she goes. So we went to Denny's. Came here about 1:30ish. Then took a fat team nap till about 4. It's about 5 o'clock right now, I think. We're getting a little drunk. Then we're gonna Uber to, what is it? A market? Some outdoor market.
yeah.
And then we plan to go to the casino after that. The market and the casino are pretty close together, so we'll Uber there. It's about an $18 Uber, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so I'll record some of the drinking, and then we will see you at the market. I'm sure there'll be plenty of cool stuff to see there. But yeah, I haven't been doing too much lately. But once we do something exciting, I'll be sure to capture it, and you guys can tag along with us. All right, we're getting ready to go to the market. They're going down some tequila shots before we go.
You need one.
Little fit check, Zaz's pants. Mitch bought me this hoodie, so we booing. Hair's a little whack. After a little nap. They're about to do down the tequila.
Your hands all over his body.
Holy fuck.
Run your hands through his hair.
Hannah, man!
Down it.
90% of my shot!
3,
Oh, I need cheese.
2,
Go!
1.
No.
Cheers! Down it.
Cheers.
Quite scared. Okay, how do you feel now?
Yeah, I didn't take
Bro,
the shot yet!
Hannah hasn't even taken it.
Hannah, don't do it!
Alright, we're gonna hit the market. We're gonna call the Uber soon, so we'll see you later. Alright, what's going on? We're currently
I
walking
wish I didn't
to
take
the
it. I was
fair.
the only one who took the shot. Now I'm fucked up and everyone's fine.
I'm far from fine. This is the fair right there, or the market. Looks pretty dope.
I wasn't feeling good before I left,
We're
but
just
now
walking
I'm
in. The
feeling
Uber dropped us off a
great.
little earlier than expected, but nothing wrong with that. The casino's right beside where we're going, so it's not too bad. But we got the whole crew here. Everyone, they all feeling good.
Oh, go!
Just crossing the road. But yeah, this fair looks looks quite amazing. Zaz only wanted down the tequila shot. Feeling pretty good, and I didn't do it, so. But yeah, this looks like an awesome place. We're gonna record as much as we can, so we'll see you in a little bit. Gorilla surplus? Oh, there's So we made it to the market. Bunch of interesting stuff here, so be sure to check it all out. We just passed a weed store and a gun store, which doesn't make too much sense because we're still in Canada, so guns are prohibited. So interesting, but you know, the way she goes, we'll definitely check everything out. We'll be sure to bring you along with us.
$5. That's how they get you. Where's everything? Okay. We got, what's that? Oh, lots of different.
Chow mein, pork fried rice.
Oh, I love chow mein. I got excited. I thought it said fish or chicken log. It said fish. That one smells good.
Looks like plenty of food options here. Not too sure what we're gonna get to eat, but I'm sure we'll find something.
That's the one that you walk by.
But stay tuned. Me and Zaz satisfied for a couple chicken fingers and fries. Even though this is mainly a Korean / Asian festival, we went with the original. Can never go wrong with some chicken fingers and fries. Looks like Morgan and Hannah went a little more traditional. Got a mountain full of noodles. Supporting it. Not too bad, but we're gonna dig in, enjoy our meal. Get away from my food,
Thanks,
woman. What do you think you're doing? What's going on, everyone? We're just leaving the festival / market right now. Pretty interesting, a lot of different types of foods and varieties. Me and Zaz kind of pussied out and got the OG chicken fingers and fries. They got some noodles, but it was definitely interesting to see. We got a free vape out of it. A lot of cool variety of things. We went through the shops and stuff, a bunch of origami, and actually a very variety of things. So it was definitely cool to see. But we're gonna head off to the casino now, where hopefully win some big bucks, make all the money back from the trip. But we will see you after the casino, since we can't record in it sadly. But maybe I can sneak some footage of Zaz winning like $1,000 or something. So we'll see you after the casino. All right, that was a quick little adventure to the casino. Together we brought in $380 and we came out with $35.
We brought in $480
$480.
actually.
No. We left with $3,800.
Imagine.
Cheers. One thing.
I brought 100, down 100. Zaz brought 360,
This is BC.
down 360. Morgan brought 40, down 40. Hannah brought 20, up 15.
Yeah.
So, other than Hannah,
Good job, Hannah.
very rough night. We were probably in there for no less than 45 minutes.
We're returning this car tomorrow.
Zaz was playing
and
blackjack.
Tammy's driving
Morgan and Hannah
everywhere.
played a little bit of roulette and slots. And I was doing pretty well on the roulette. I was up about $100. Or no, I was at 110, brought 100. And then the girls left to go play slots and I lost 5 in a row.
The map, though.
So you hate to see it. It was a tough loss. Fun night though. Okay, no stopping.
We don't
No,
know.
we're not.
No,
we
apparently
walked this way.
Hannah said we're going the wrong
The maps
way.
is saying we're going the wrong
The
way.
guy missed the turn 3 times. I watched his GPS.
Oh, I guess we can go.
So I guess we're Hannah's eating
fuck,
shit.
Hannah.
So a little night on the town, little adventure, but yeah, it was a tough night at the casino.
Regretful adventure.
I already didn't want to spend too much money and
And tough.
down an extra 100. 100 that I could have used for something else. But away she goes, you know, had some
That's
fun.
horseback riding down the drain.
But yeah, it was a good little adventure. Had fun at the market. Had fun in the little time we were at the casino, but we're gonna walk back to the hotel, maybe get a little drinks into us. We gotta leave pretty early tomorrow, so this will be the end of the vlog, part 1. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our little start to the adventure. But yeah, we got plenty more in stock. Definitely a lot more better views. We're gonna do zip lining, bungee jumping, horseback riding. We got plenty to do. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next maybe 5-6 vlogs. We'll probably vlog every day. So if you guys can, drop a like. Make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day. It's your boy Sensei. Take it easy.